Today, I'm going to show you how to download and register on 1688 using just your phone, fully updated for 2025. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. Now, search for 1688. Look for the official app from Alibaba Group, then tap Install. Once it's downloaded, open the app. Keep in mind the entire app is in Chinese, so I recommend using Google Translate's live camera mode or iPhone's text translation tool if needed. To register, tap the Register button on the bottom right home of the screen, then agree to the agreement. Choose either personal or enterprise registration. You'll be asked to enter your phone number. Make sure to change the country code to your region before you continue. Now tap Agree and Register, then follow the human verification, and you'll receive a verification code by SMS. Enter that code, and that's it. You're now ready to browse and buy directly from Chinese suppliers using your phone.